Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to do motion tracking in After Effects. Let's get started. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Double-click on the project panel and add your footage. I have provided the footage in the description. You can download it from there. Now, add the footage to the timeline. Let's create some text. For example, our video shows a Lamborghini. I'll type Lamborghini. I want this text to follow the car's movement, but the text won't follow the car's movement because it does not have tracking applied. To fix this, we'll use motion tracking. Select the footage and go to the tracker panel. If the tracker panel isn't visible, go to Window and enable Tracker. In the tracker panel, click on Track Motion. You'll see a small tracking box appear on the screen. Move this box over the car. Ensuring it covers the car properly. The inner box tracks the object and the outer box anticipates the movement. After setting the tracking box, click on the Analyze Forward button to start tracking. The tracker will follow the car's movement frame by frame. Once done, we'll create a null object by right-clicking in the timeline and selecting New Null Object. This null object will help transfer the tracking data. Go back to the tracker panel, click on Edit Target, and select the null object. Click OK, and then Apply to transfer the tracking data to the null object. Now, we'll link the text layer to the null object by using the Pick Whip tool. This will ensure the text follows the car's movement. After this, adjust the position of your text by pressing P on the text layer. Now it looks good. To add some effect to the text, let's work on its opacity. Create a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon and set the opacity to 0. Move a few frames ahead, set the opacity to 100%, and it creates another keyframe automatically. This creates a gradual fade-in effect for the text. By playing the footage, you'll see the text now follows the car and fades in smoothly. You can also apply the fade-in effect in your video with the same method. Let me do and fast forward. Let's preview the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.